Welcome to Sikkhon.com. In today's MS Excel tutorial, we will learn that how to block duplicate entry in our documents. In one of our previous videos, we had seen how we highlight the duplicate entries in MS Excel. If you have not seen the earlier video, or if you want to see it again, then you can go ahead and check out our channel for that video. It is shown there that in a document, if there are more than one entries, how do we highlight that? In today's class, we will see that if any document has the same name, same number or the same ID, and if all these points are duplicates, then how can we automatically block these duplicates? Also, we will learn how to signal the MS Excel for these duplicates. Today's video is sponsored by softwarekeep.com. Softwarekeep.com is a platform where you can buy Microsoft Office or the paid version of Windows. You can go ahead and check softwarekeep.com for the paid versions of these softwares. Let's say you want the Windows paid version or the Microsoft Office paid version, which are not cracked and has a legit serial key, then you can go in their website and easily choose your softwares from their website. Then you have to click details and then simply add to cart. After adding to cart, you can see that there is a enter promo code option. If you click on that, a description box will open. If you use our promo code within 14 days of publishing of this video, then you can get a flat 15% discount on the software. You can check out the description box for the links and use them if you want. In Software Keep, you can find antivirus, Windows softwares or any paid Microsoft Office softwares. When you will finish the purchase, you will get a link in your mail for the downloading instructions and for the downloading link. You can use that link to install your software. Along with that, you will get live chat and amazing support through emails. So go ahead and check out www.softwarekeep.com. Okay, so let's start today's class now. Let us check the document on screen first. We can see that one formatting has been done here. This video is very important for those people who work with data entries in MS Excel. When we work with thousands, 5,000, 10,000s of data, then blocking the same entries or duplicates becomes very important. So whether the same mobile number has been entered or not, or same ID number has been entered or not, finding that out becomes very important. So if we don't block the duplicate numbers, then when the file becomes very big, it will become very difficult for us. At the start, as I said, in the previous video we learned how to highlight these, and today we'll learn about blocking these. So at first, let's check the countif option. So let us see how do we count. For example, here name and mobile number has been given, and this has count, so we will delete this. So at first, we would like to know if we have any duplicates in the name column. We can get that out, and just not for duplicates. Countif function can be used even in the vendor bills or any user bills or any data entries. We can use countif in any of these. Countif has many use cases. If you go and check out our Excel playlist, you can see that how can we use countif to do various tasks. So getting back to today's class, let us identify if we have any duplicate entries in this sheet. So at first, what we have to do is equal countif. We will not be talking about countif in details today because we have already made a full detailed video. So you can go and check out the link in the description to check out the detailed video. So at first we have range and criteria. So the range to countif that we have will be the A cell. So what we'll be having? A:(A. Then we'll be giving a comma. After giving comma, we will be setting the criteria. So what criteria will it be? Then we can select the whole A and give it right here. So now let's close the bracket, then press enter. So after pressing enter, we know that we have to drag this corner down, so let's do that. So now we can see that we have 2 times the name Badal, once here and once here. All the rest have single entries. So now if I drag this down more, and now if I write here the name Shamim once again, then we know that it will automatically be converted to 2. So we have already done this. If you have seen our previous videos, you will know that. So today's class will be on the errors that which we have made. How do we find out the errors and how do we fix our errors? So how these errors could be found out easily so that when we give an entry, it gets blocked automatically. So here we have some duplicate entries like 123, 123. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it to 12344 so that all the entries are now unique. So now to block these, what we're gonna do is, let's go to data first. So now let us copy the code here. The countif code that we had written, we are going to copy that first. And then after that, we will be going to data. And after that, we are going to click on data validation. In the previous class, we had seen that by giving data validation, how can text be completed into limited text? For example, phone numbers are of 11 digits. Now if we block the number, it will neither be more than 11 nor less than 11. So we already have a video on these, you can check them on the channel. So today we are going to learn about unique entries, or how we are going to block duplicate entries in Excel. So from here, we are going to click on custom. Previously, we clicked on text length. Today we are going to click on custom. Custom means from data validation, we go to custom and paste the formula here. So let us paste our formula here. After pasting, we will notice that previously we did countif function on the A cell, but now we are working on the B cell. So we'll change it to B, and after the colon, we'll also change it to B. Then after that, it is given A to A, we are going to change it to B, delete the colon and type B1. So the cell which we are going to work on, we will give the name of the first row of that cell here. So the formula stands B:B, comma, and criteria is B1. And after that, we are going to give equal and give 1. So what's the format now? It is maximum, same entry, could just be 1 and not more than 1. Then let's press OK. Now let's see what happened here. 1, 2, 3 is already present here, so let's press 1, 2, 3 again. Then we can see that an error has appeared on our screen. So what happened here? As we have just put the function, Excel is saying that it is a duplicate entry and we cannot give it here. But if I type 1223 and press enter, then it takes it. And if we press 1223 once again and enter, then Excel will block it. So like this, if we want to simplify the data entry work, then we can give this data block or the validation, and we can restrict the duplicate entry so that our data entry is proper. So this was for today's class. We will definitely use this function in our future videos. If you have any problems with it, you can comment on this video, or you can go to our website and put a question on our forum. If you go to Sikkhon.com, you'll get a button above as forum. If you have any questions, you can go to that forum. You can sign up and log in from your account and put up your questions there. You will surely receive support from our team. And if you know any answers to any of those questions there, you can answer there and make our Sikkhon community stronger. Thank you for being with Sikkhon.com today.